Let's take a quick look at the ProSolids Wire EDM add-in for Fusion. I already have the add-in running. As we can see here in the manufacturing workspace, there's this Wire EDM tab. And we'll just go through programming this part very simply and show some of the functionality as we do. First, let's go ahead and start with this outside profile, which is a 2-axis feature. We're going to go ahead and create a 2-axis feature. And in the geometry selection, we can do it by edge or by face. For this one, we'll do an edge. So I'll just pick one of those outer edges. ProSolids will then find the remaining edges. And you can see I have find thread point as well, so it'll search for any sketched thread points, which I have down here, and use that as the starting location. So I hit OK. It creates the operation, which we can see in our browser tree over here. Next, we'll go ahead and do that 4-axis on the inside. So I'll choose Create a 4-axis feature. This one I'll do with a face selection, though. And I'll just pick one of those faces. There we can see it intersecting the part where this plane is and finding the top and bottom profiles for that inside feature as well. I have thread point on, but there are no points in there, so it won't find any, and I can hit OK on that one. And there we can see we have both of those programmed in the tree. If I come over here, I can toggle both the toolpaths on. Now in the browser tree, we have the different levels. We have the machine, the stock, medium planar setup, and the operations themselves. For each of these, there's a different data grid, and these have quick access to commonly adjusted settings. So for example, on this outside profile, let's say I didn't want to do the glue stop, I could toggle that off, and that'll update live within it without needing to go into any dialog boxes. As well, just to show them, if you did want to edit more of those settings than was in the grid, by double-clicking or right-click and editing, we can open up the edit operation where we can fully control operation settings and everything like that. From there, we have the ability to simulate toolpath using Predator Virtual CNC, as well as output code and search cutting conditions, which we can see here. So then if I post NC code, it'll then post-process it, in this case for the Mitsubishi MVS that we have selected. And as that finishes, we can then edit the NC output.